Welcome everyone for the video session we'll get on today. So this one now for this video today, the main objective we'll get I say we want run one Laravel project we will already create them. Yeah, the Laravel project we will already create them. We want run them so that maybe appear like website for our browser. Okay, so if you still see, for me, I still get my Visual Studio Code open. Where that very first project will be done install am, will be done create am. It's still there for that folder. The folder where I get am handy. Okay, it's still there for the all the components and for the video. It did it. Sorry, for the project. All the components and for the project, it did for the one after another. Now, what you want to do now, na say we want run the project. We would already create them. So what I go do first, I go first clear this my terminal. Okay, the terminal way there. So I go put clear command. Okay, so you go clear the terminal from all those displays that will be appear that way the project it be created. Now what I go do now, say I go type one command when I go run me the project. I go say php artisan serve. No worry, wait to be the meaning for this command. Okay, just type am for now. Just in a while, I will explain for you what be each and every component for this command. So we type php artisan serve, then we press enter. Okay. So if you see, it tell we say Laravel. You see, it tell we say starting Laravel development server. So it tell we the URL where it actually be. If you just click for here, you go there. Okay. Antivirus say this one not be harmful. Okay, if you just click for here, you go directly for your local host. Okay, and one more thing I go make am clear for this video, like I talk for the other videos, I dey assume say any dependency already be installed for your device. Any dependency you need, and like for the one we need XAMPP server, I assume say you don't reinstall, and I even assume say you don't restart the XAMPP server. However, if it be say you don't know how to start XAMPP server, you don't know how to install XAMPP server, you don't know it to be local host, you check for my YouTube videos. Okay, I don't do something similar like that where it will guide you. So like I talk, I assume say all those dependencies, everybody already get that installed for their device. So what I usually do is, what I advise to do, now say just copy the URL. Okay, you copy the URL, highlight them, Control C, copy them. Take can now go for your favorite browser. For me, I dey use na wetin I dey use na Brief. You paste am for the then press enter. Okay, so you see I'm like that Laravel project we will install am, and that it is up and running. Now for sure say it dey run, we will go back for our Visual Studio Code editor. You don't see you see what you dey talk. You see accepted, closing, accepted, closing. Where it show say it is so whatever thing we do as we don't type am for our browser, the thing dey run. We press anything, we tap anything. Okay, which we then say it report am for down here. All right. Now you don't need to know all this get closing. You don't need to know. All you just need to know na the main objective of the video for say may you run that Laravel project where you be create am. Okay. So now we'll go inside. Okay, we'll try for modify something that will really show say it is so. We want work with some more. Okay. So start with modify some of the things now. We'll say we'll go for resource. Okay, resources. We'll go for view. We'll go for welcome. Okay. For example, we'll go back for this part. Might just say we want add something after Laravel is wonderful. Okay. So I highlight them. I copy them. I go now inside my Visual Studio Code editor. For sideway, I get that resource. Welcome blade. I Control F, then I Control V, I paste down for the OK. So I just say I want to add something for here, say blah blah blah, or I just put and say put na the one or editing, and so on. Okay. Now you Control S. But for me, I don't really set my Visual Studio Code edition in such a way where it automatically save any changes what I make them. But if you be say you know how set them, or you know how set your editor that way, just hold Control button, press S. Okay. Now we'll go back for our front end side, that is for that our URL. Then we'll do it, we'll refresh this page. If you refresh this page in two ways. First, you will do it, you right click, take reload. Okay, so if you see now that in this way, we actually edit them. Or another way, if you refresh the page, now see you hold your control button, you press arrow, and that. Okay, so now our project that our Laravel project they up and running. Okay, that project will create they up and running. So now when we get our Laravel project, it is up and running. Most you don't run Laravel project, we want stop them. We know how made it run again. Which way we do actually now for stop our Laravel project? Well, you go back for that Visual Studio Code. Okay. So if we know how made the project run again, we go back for that terminal. We hold Control button, then we press C. Now in that you see it tell we say localhost don't close. Okay, I think that is just tell we. So localhost it don't close, which means while Laravel project need to run again. How if you know say it need run again? We'll go back for that browser. Okay, we'll go refresh them. Remember either Control arrow or you right click then press reload. So Control arrow. You know, see it says site cannot be reached. Server refused to connect. Okay, so it means we don't close the Laravel project, so you need to run again. So now so if we start and then do it stop our Laravel project. Okay, so if you now remember for the starting moments for this video, I will tell you say I go tell you the meaning for the PHP artisan serve command. Okay, so more go now take each and every word with the inside a PHP artisan serve command. The first one, PHP. Now, the PHP will write down for inside that command. We write down because PHP na two way we go use them for run the command. Now, the reason why it is so na because Laravel na PHP framework. So we need PHP for run them. We need for call PHP. Say, Siamo, we want run one of your framework. Can run them for we. Okay. That mean that the reason that we put PHP for front. Now, artisan, okay. Excuse my pronunciation there, okay. So artisan, na the name way Laravel give their command line to. An example of a command line tool now that terminal will be type that installation, that PHP create project command. Okay, that terminal right now example of a command line tool. That's so now the name way Laravel give their command line tool, and the command line, this command line tool, it get plenty commands for inside where they get common tasks like migration, seeding. This one they don't need for no migration. Now they use them for say more populate what database. Okay. Then the serve word, that serve word with the inside that command. Now this one command we artisan sabi. Okay, so when person run PHP artisan serve, it means make Laravel start one small server where they useful for the development. This server will allow you test your Laravel application for your own computer. We get the whole thing now. So now the purpose of that serve that for this. So if we want join all them in one, when we type PHP artisan serve, what we actually mean? It means make Laravel artisan start some small server for development, and the person fee open the Laravel application for web browser with the address where it will look like localhost, that HTTP localhost 8000 or HTTP that / we get 127.0.0.1 8000. Okay, so with this, okay, now you go help we more test for see the changes we will make for our application. It really how we make change just now. So now the purpose that for that PHP artisan serve command. Okay, so today now here we will end for this video. Okay, you stay tuned for the next video, and for the next video you will see for the suggestion the way go appear which we will learn next. Okay, if you get any question, I beg use that comment section for down there. You let me know, then I will see how I feel help. If we work together, we help each other, or we'll see how we will fit resolve the problem. So once again, thank you for watching and stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Goodbye for now.